In this video, I will be showing you how to find hex colors in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll pick a design to work on. I'm going to select this pastel border template and then click Customize this template to open the editor. Once everything loads, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Text tab. I'll select Add a text box to place it onto my canvas. Now, with that text selected, I'll go to the top toolbar and click the text color icon. In the side panel that appears, I'll click the plus sign to add a new color. This opens the color picker, and right here in the text box at the bottom, you can see the hex color code. As I move the cursor around the color map, that code updates instantly, allowing me to identify the exact hex value for any shade I choose. I can browse through different colors and gradients until I find the specific code I need for my design. I hope this helps you find the perfect colors for your next project.